Are you done yet?
You around if you don't stop.
Look at this weather out here. It is 80 degrees today. So we decided to come out here and not only enjoy the outdoors, but bring the turtles out and let them start enjoying the outdoors again this year. This is our first 80-degree day. Look at Chompers right to the grass.
Guess which tortoise I carried out here?
Look, you should grab one of those dandelions over there and hold it to his face, and look how much he loves the dandelions. We can give him a bath too while we're out here. Oh, oh, he's coming at you. He's coming at you. He wants more.
Scary.
He's so funny. No, don't pick him. Take Littlefoot and put him like right in front of one of those dandelions. There you go. Let him do his own foraging.
Littlefoot's right in front of you. I don't know if he's a very good forager.
Just give him time. You just picked him up and moved him. There he goes. I told you they love dandelions.
I didn't know that.
And the dandelions are actually good for him. When this whole yard gets covered in dandelions, we'll have them out here doing this, and they'll eat them all. Now, if you want to pick dandelions, over there on top of all that mulch, any of the dandelions over there, you can give them to the turtles. So we're going to let these guys graze for a while and enjoy themselves. And it's a nice start of our day. Chompers and Littlefoot. Now we're going out the side door to see. We got the people here. We're going to move that tank off of the trailer finally. So let's see what we got going on here. Josh is here setting things up. We got the forklift. We got the fork extensions. Grab that board by your side there, Josh. Put it across the top. You don't want to do it like this.
I don't think we're going to need it.
We are. And we're going to set up a ratchet strap on each side. And we're going to lift it straight up. Reaper's going to pull the trailer out from under it. And we're going to set it down right onto the boards. There you go. Now just go over the board. Now you're not twisting the strap sideways. You're not doing anything like that. You just make each one snug. Take it off of that fork extension. You want that to be over.
What?
You don't want it on the fork extension. Get it off the fork extension. No, the strap. Reaper's got the strap on the fork extension.
No, he doesn't. It's going over the board.
No, stop. You're going over the board and then over the fork extension. See how it's pulling it sideways by his knees there? That needs to be on the other side of the fork extension.
Take that, put it on the knee.
There you go. Now you just make that tight to where it's snug, and then we do the other one like that. Should be able to lift it straight up.
Vince, I'm holding this side. You got to try and get that side back a little further. Oh, fuck, it's set. Never mind. Pump straight up good.
Yeah, that's way off center then.
Can you pull that side tighter with the... Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh. Pull. Yeah, pull the strap up. I don't want that on the panel.
Okay, now all I'm going to do, I'm going to video the main parts here, and Reaper's going to video. If you want to see more of this being moved, check out Reaper's behind the scenes video tomorrow.
Ratcheting that and pull that. Yep.
Okay, we're going ahead and lifting it up now about an inch.
It's hitting the wheel well. It's going over.
Yeah, it is. You got to drive forward some.
I'll see.
Okay, stop there. Lift up for a second. Now drive forward. All right. Reaper, go ahead and drive out. Slowly.
Roll down the passenger window.
Look at Josh is looking for all the roll down the passenger windows and go slow. The problem is that corner there is going to hit this wheel well when it goes because it's crooked.
Kurt, come out and just push out on the tank ever so lightly.
Go ahead and go forward just a touch. Oops, sorry.
Sorry, man.
You got 3 inches. Go forward, Josh. Hold up.
Wait.
Go forward, Josh. More. All right, stop.
Do it.
All right, go ahead, Reap. You ain't got to do it no more.
No.
If you want to lift the gate up so it don't drag. I got it with you.
We're good.
Keep going. Whoa.
Hang on, slow. Stop.
Up a little higher, Josh. Keep going.
No, I can't.
All right, go ahead, Reap. All right, stop. Look at that. Now hold up, Josh.
I'll get this as close to the ground as possible. So get the boards under.
And more boards here. All right, you've got this little board and another one like it.
Hey, Dad.
Yes, sir.
Worry about the filming. I'll put the board on this side and then 2 pieces under each corner. Yep. There's one more piece around here.
It was on the trailer. Dangerous.
Thank you.
On down a little more. No, stop. Don't go backwards, go down.
Take the shit off my
Okay.
forks.
Hey, we're videoing.
No.
Leave this on here and just hook it back up. We're going to move it again. All right, you can take the forks now. And now it is forever in our way. This is the start of cleaning up this whole entire mess back here. Tilt them forward. There you go. You're good. Where's the 75 that was on that stand?
Standing there.
Oh, good job. Now there was a 75 out here. Where'd it go?
On the other stand.
Oh, nice job. It's 2 things I wanted done. Look at you guys. So this tank's on this stand now? Very good job. Is this guy coming today to get this wood? Don't know. Okay. All right, so now we're able to use our trailer. How was pulling the other trailer? Did you feel a difference
What do you mean?
when you used the other trailer this last weekend?
Oh, the U-Haul?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's easier.
Oh, smoother.
It was easier. It was lighter to pull.
Yes. Oh, it's
This
a little bit
thing
smoother.
bounces.
Bounce.
Any single axle trailer will bounce and it'll start fishtailing if it's not
Yeah.
loaded right. On dual axles, you just pull and go.
I can, man,
So for next week, the 12-foot tank, we want to rent the trailer
I would.
because it's a 4.5-hour drive there.
Right.
All right.
And it's already got a nice,
I would just buy a nice dual axle 6.
I don't want dual axle because you can't pick up the front nose and then turn it and walk it and park it where you want.
So
We
every
want a
time
single
you
axle.
Pick up a big tank, you're spending 30, 60, 70 bucks on a trailer. Remember, just buy one and deal with it. You just back it in. And
You hear this logic? Just spend more money, Dad. That's it.
Oh, you want? You're gonna sell that one? Just buy a dual axle.
Well, now it's able. I can sell it. Actually, I'm going to buy one more lighting kit and put on there, and we'll sell it with the lighting kit installed and fixed. Because after we lost the light off the trailer, we've been using these magnet lights and getting by.
This trailer has seen better days, dude.
Oh no, it's got a brand new axle under it, brand new springs. It's got, everything's welded up. Anything that could have broken broke, and we got it welded up and fixed. It don't dig into the tires no more. It's good to go. But it's made more for four-wheelers, not heavy tanks.
Right.
We need the one with the wooden to where,
1200.
Yeah.
Would have been perfect. With
a nice
wood.
wooden bottom to where they don't bother the tanks.
Tractor's just pulling this thing down.
Yeah.
It's broken so
It
many
broke so many.
places. I can't even get it back together.
You're talking the top?
The top's broke.
I know that. Are you talking just the face front of it? Take that off, or you want the whole thing to come down? The whole thing needs to come down, but right now we have some protection from rain. So I'm not pulling it down until we have the wood here to build the new deck.
The only thing you want protected is your lawnmower. Cover it with the tarp. Pull this out so you can start the building.
I can start building as soon as the wood's here. We get the wood here, we'll take this down in a day.
You're so ass backwards in these sometimes.
It's not ass
You're
backwards,
one
son.
step at a time.
You want to
get
take this down and leave this open to the elements, open to the sun, open to the rain, and then when we get the wood, build it. No. When it's here and we're ready to move forward, we'll take it all down and start building that day. Yep. That's how it's going to be. I'm sorry, I'm Dad. I have spoken. I have spoken. Did you hear me,
Well, your
son?
ass ain't getting up on the damn ladder and doing that shit anyways. It's gonna
Yes,
be me. Right.
Aren't you supposed to listen to your elders and that kind of stuff? Listen to your daddy, boy.
But I'm right.
You're not right.
This has to come down. The siding has to come down. Fascia board goes up. Once the fascia board's on, you can then build.
Right. So if we buy the wood and it's sitting here on pallets waiting to go, then we start tearing this up. We got wood ready at our side.
Well, one weekend, because I ain't building it in the damn weekend.
Yeah,
one
we're building in the
weekend,
weekend.
I'll get the fascia board on and this shit torn down. And the next weekend, if you're lucky, I'll get the rest of it.
Oh,
on.
if I'm lucky? Because I'll listen to my elders, but you're going to listen to me.
Yeah, no, all this stuff can get rained on. I ain't worried about it. Besides your lawnmower, that's the only thing you want covered up.
Well, the sun does a lot of damage. Look how this here was brand new 2 years ago. Now look how soft, and it just, it's nothing. You can just rip your hands to it. That's sun damage. Okay, so the sun does a lot of damage.
So you get this out, down, you have an area cleaned up that you can work in, because I ain't working in this damn mess.
That was the whole purpose of having our spring auction, spring sale, like we do every year.
I'm gonna wait for spring.
Spring's already passed. It's summer now. It's time for the auction.
Spring's
Oh, it's not.
It's time for the sale, ain't it?
It's going back down to
in
the
June.
40s and 50s here.
Yeah, it'll be.
All right, guys, we got that tank moved and done, so we can use the trailer this weekend. Great job, everybody. Now we're going on the back deck. Reaper's moving this tent that has tripped me I don't know how many times, and we're going to be cooking up that boudin or whatever this alligator stuff is. Alligator and crawfish and all this. We're going to be cooking that up now, so stick around. And then if you want to see if everyone liked it, you got to watch Reaper's video on the OFR behind the scenes tomorrow. All right, now heading up front, look what we got going on here. That's Skylar's car and Skylar's boat. Let's see what this thing's about. It's got a 90 on it. That's her fishing boat. You can fit 3 people on there, 3 seats. Huh. Ain't a bad little boat. But now the front, these guys just all pulling up together. There's some more back there. They're all starting to come out of their cave under there now. Oh, look. Lilac bush is starting to grow. Oh, we've got another one of these plants. I loved this plant last year. This right here. It was growing over here, and there was a single plant here. And it grew 2 years like that. The second year, a big 5-foot shoot came out of it. And then I was told it was going to die after that. Well, it's not there no more. And now there's one here. I saw some more over here. There's one here. There's one here. There's one here and here. Oh, and another one right there. There's one under the table. So, I mean, I guess it has a way of staying. But they were pretty neat. They're like velvet, the leaves are. It's got so many hairs on it, it feels like velvet. The lily's starting to grow in the little area up here, the waterfall. Oh, we got our arrowheads coming up over there. I love this moss all on these rocks. This plant's got to go, for sure. Alright guys, well, hope you enjoyed today's video. Enjoy yourself, and there'll be another one out. Remember, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday will be videos. And then Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday for the behind the scenes. So you still got a video every day for 6 days a week, not 7. Stay fishy, my friends.